Have you recently received a call from an unknown number claiming to be O2? If you are seeing these numbers on your phone and it's making you panic, you're not alone. Today, we're going to uncover the truth about these sale calls, and more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the situation if you've already said yes. Here is the typical scenario. You answered a call from someone like Alan claiming to be from O2. The deal sounded great, so you agreed to an upgrade and give them your bank details. But now, that confirmation email never arrived and you're frantically Googling to see if you've been scammed. Don't worry, let's get you out of this. Are these numbers legitimate? The answer is yes and no. The good news is your bank account isn't likely being drained by a professional hacker. The bad news, you were likely pushed into a contract you don't actually need by a third-party seller looking for a commission. This is the approved partner loophole. While illegal scammers steal identities, these third-party affiliates operate in a grey area. They are legally allowed to sell O2 plans on commission, but they are notorious for using aggressive and misleading tactics. They are the ones who called you, but O2 Direct is who you should actually be dealing with. Let's look at the anatomy of a shady sale. They promised you instant emails and cheaper bills. What actually happens is total radio silence. Then you'll notice a random 10p test charge on your statement listed as phone services, not O2, and a physical SIM card will show up in the mail despite your doubts. If you take away only one thing today, let it be the O2 community golden rule. Never agree to a cold call. No matter how good the deal sounds, always hang up and call O2 directly yourself to verify it. If you've already agreed to a deal, here is your rescue playbook. We're going to use the 14-day rule, perform a direct cancellation, and set up your bank defense. Step 1, you have the power. By law, you have a 14-day cooling off period. You have the absolute right to cancel this contract without any penalty from the moment you agree or from the day that the physical SIM card arrives at your door. Step 2 is pulling the plug the right way. Do not call those 0161 or 0289 numbers back. They are trained to talk you out of it. Instead, call O2 Direct at 202 from an O2 phone. Most importantly, submit the official O2 online cancellation form so that you have the request in writing. Step 3 is your bank defense. Call your bank immediately and instruct them to refuse any new direct debits related to this call. Also, watch your statement for that 10p test charge from phone services. This is often how these third parties verify your account is active. Be warned, the fake cancellation trap is real. You might call O2 and a rep tells you it's cancelled, but the system often fails to update. If this happens, a SIM card and a bill for more than you were quoted will still arrive. You must trust but verify. Log into my O2 and keep checking your bill page. The contract is only officially dead when the link on your portal changes to read disconnected bill. Until you see those exact words, the contract is still live. If they ignore you, use the escalation ladder. If standard support at 202 doesn't work, forward your order details to phishing@o2.com. If you still get no results, email complaint-review-service@o2.com, which forces a mandatory 7-day formal investigation into your case. Screenshot this. It's your final defense plan. Cancel via O2 Direct, block the charges at the bank, verify the status in my O2, and then update your marketing preferences to no to prevent these calls from happening again. Take action and secure your account. I've linked the official O2 cancellation form and the escalation email address in the description below.